Hey guys, in this video we are gonna make something like this to a photo. See, you can take a look at this. How cool is this? Adding a lens flare or adding a sun in the background using the filter lens flare. See, take a look at this right here. See, magically the sun disappears. So let's do that in Photoshop now. I'll close both the documents and I've just downloaded this photo from Unsplash. You can take a look at the link right here. Yep, you can just download this and I'll just open up both. I'll just resize it, file, open, and I'll select this thing right here. So I'll just resize it, control tab to move to another photo. So just unlock this layer, just rename it. I'll rename it as boy. I'll just press control J to make a new layer and I'll just click on convert a smart object. Just go to filter and select render and lens flare. You can add 4 kinds of lens flare. See, you can take a look at the lens flare right here. You can add it right here, or even on his face. It doesn't look good. It looks good in the left side of the photo or in the right side. So you can select whichever lens flare type you want. This is good, even this is good. This is like 105 prime and movie prime. I like this one though. You can select the brightness by increasing this line right here, or even you can assign a value like 150. Yeah, wait, this is good. Just click on OK. Yep, see, magically the lens flare appears right here. See, just click on this lens flare icon. Yeah, this is what I was trying to show you in this video. This is pretty small video, and sorry if there is any kind of background noise. I'll try to add a different lens flare. I just double click this lens flare right here and I'll add this one. Yeah, this is good though. I'll decrease the brightness and yeah, see, you can take a look at this and even you can add the same thing for this photo also. You can add that for any kind of photo you feel like. Go to filter, just unlock this and drag it, convert for smart filter, or even you can choose on filter and you can click here, convert for smart filter. Just go to render. Wait, why is the menu not open? Render and lens flare. Yeah, you can select this. This is a bit, yeah, this is good. I love this. Yeah, you can take a look at it right here. There is a sun added to the photo. So this is what I was trying to teach you, and you can go ahead and select an image from Unsplash, whichever image you feel like, and just add a lens flare to the photo. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.